televiewers! Red carpet, red carpet, red carpet na naman ang dating. Bonggang-bongga. Nandito lahat, dumating ang atin #1 kamao, Manny Pacquiao. Anyway, don't forget to support The Road, ang horror movie of the year. Yan ang horror movie ng dekada. Tignan natin kung anong palabas ng trailer. Are you to see this movie?
Anything that will bring the Filipinos up, I'm really excited about. That's why when the project came along and Annette Boston spoke to me, Bello came and really supported it because it's the first Filipino movie to be shown in normal screening, and it's such an exciting thing. And of course, Rian and Alden are both Bello babies, so we're very proud of them.
Ang galing naman, you just flew here just to watch this movie.
Yeah, we actually did. I'm only here for 3 days, and I was talking to my staff because we're 4. I said, "What did we do? We just flew here to watch a movie. Why are we all here?" But I needed a makeup artist and stuff like that. But it's so nice to be here in ArcLight, such a very famous theater here now.
And you want to be one of the Phil-Ams to be a mainstream movie, the first one.
Sobrang overwhelming po, and it has really been a dream for me to go to the US. And it's my first time here, and masaya lang ako kasi first time, and then we're showing this movie. It just overwhelms me. Hindi ko masabing feeling ko now. It's just so fantastic. It's a fantastic feeling. Mga kapuso po, iniimbitahan ko po kayo manood ng The Road dito sa US and Canada. So darating na May 11, showing on all mainstream theaters nationwide, and you won't regret it, I'm sure. Magandang film created by Yam Laranas, produced by GMA Films. It's a movie worth watching. So please, supportahan po natin ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Anong nararamdaman mo na sikat ka na naman? Na mainstream ang dating mo. So, anong masasabi mo doon?
I'm very happy and thankful to GMA Films and also to our director, Yam Laranas. He has worked so hard for this film, and kung hindi talaga dahil sa kanya, without this great idea, we won't be here. So, we're very thankful. And ako, iniimbitahan ko po kayo. Ito na ho, papalabas na ho tayo sa Hollywood, sa buong mundo. Ito na ho, isa sa mga gusto natin mangyari sa Filipino entertainment industry, ang ipagmalaki natin lalo ang ating mga pelikula. So sana po supportahan nyo. It will be shown here commercially, the first Filipino film to be shown commercially here in the States. So please watch The Road.
How proud excited dito ngayon para maging the first Filipino mainstream film?
Hindi ko siguro, kahit sinubukan ko, hindi ko siguro kayang ipahiwatig sa'yo kung gaano ako ka-excited. Lamig-lamig ng mga kamay ko, at saka biglang, kasi at first, hindi ko pa naramdaman yung ganitong klaseng excitement at siguro feeling of nervousness na rin. Pero nung papunta na ako dito, yung nandun na ako sa kotse, it slowly started setting in, and And then, wala, naramdaman ko lang na, kasi nung una hindi ko pa alam kung anong may expect ko. But, you know, right now, I just feel very happy to be here. I feel very blessed na nakasali ako sa ganitong klaseng pelikula na recognize talaga na maganda yung quality. So, ayun, masaya lang talaga ako. As iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat ng mga Pinoy, mga Phil-Am na nandito nakatira sa States o kaya sa Canada, sana po panoorin at suportahan natin ang The Road kasi ito talaga yung isang film na pwede nating we can be proud of it kasi umabot tayo dito. Ganito naka big deal ang The Road. So suportahan natin, panoorin natin, and I hope na ma-enjoy talaga ng audience.
Okay, The Road. Suportahan natin yung movie industry ng Pilipinas at dito karangalan natin na isang kababayan natin ang gumanap ng The Road at pinagmamalaki natin dito sa Amerika. So
tingin mo knockout tong movie na to?
Sa tingin ko.
Wow! Bonggang-bongga talaga tong movie na to. First rated. Nakakatakot. Patalon-talon ako sa upuan. Anyway, don't forget to watch The Road. Again, The Road. This is Jovi Zamora of Phil-Am TV. It's time to shine.